Hi there, you guys, and welcome back to SA Social Media News, where we get to bring you the hottest hip and happening entertainment news. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't. Andile Mpisane recently announced his 1 month anniversary to his wife, Tamia, you guys. That we can understand after all, they married last month. However, what came as a shock is the fact that he captioned the picture 10 months later. And he even shared a screenshot of the date he started talking to Tamia in the DM, which reads, "Would you love to get married to me?" which was written on March 19th, 2021, you guys. And you guys, by that time, he was still with Sithelo, and they were apparently still a couple. That has left so many questions as to whether Andile was cheating on Sithelo, you guys. Anyways, he captions his anniversary message to Tamia on his Instagram as the most important day of my life. Nkulunkulu ngiyabonga, ngiyazithoba. My life has completely changed and impacted abaningi. Danki. And that was written on 17 December 2021. And he wrote, "Happy first month anniversary, you guys." Please comment, share, like, and subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you at the next video. Thank you so much. Bye.